Hi guys, we're back out with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and we're just at the one of the local plazas, and just testing out some photography, just taking pictures. And it's a little bit windy today, but when I got here, the Mini Pro asked me to log in, which I found kind of weird because this is always logged in. You know, I use this on a regular basis. Anyways, it did have an update, firmware update. So we had to connect our phone and use the data from the phone in order to get the firmware update. Now, after we got the firmware update, we were out here flying around taking some pictures. And a couple of times I tried to back up, like go backwards. And for some reason, the Mini 4 Pro was hesitating. I'm not sure what the reason is behind that. If anyone has recently done a firmware update and you've noticed that on the Mini 4, let me know. It just seemed kind of odd because when you're going backwards, it should be a nice smooth backup, the same as going forward. And although it's a little bit windy here today, she was hesitating. She didn't seem to want to do that. Hopefully when I show the video there, maybe you can see a little bit of that. But anyways, we didn't want to take any chances with anything happening, so we just continued doing our filming and turning when we had to and heading back. And also another thing that I noticed, which is unusual after this firmware, is I was about 105 feet in the air, and the sensors were beeping. I don't know what would be up there. There's absolutely nothing around here that even within 20 feet of the Mini 4 Pro. So that was another thing. It was beeping. The sensors were beeping as if it was detecting something, and that's over 100 feet in the air. Anyways, if anyone else has experienced any of this, please let me know. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Step away from your shadow, dear. The sun will rise again for a new day. Breakfast with eggs, it's insane. How ambiguous it feels, baby, to be on top of the world with you. Don't get fooled, my love, you know, we're just passing through. Eternal or celestial, we made a pretty little mess of it all. It's crazy, I know, we love it so. Oh, before you go home, can you feel the fire, baby? This is more than what we asked for. This is more than what we asked for. set your mind free. The sun is up again, maybe for the last time. I'm a circus and a dream.